edema Acro Life Sports so and every area do say the Acro Life Sports ebebremo seni adano ye no wo hwe every na abono do apa ho sima nkron 9 minutes past 10 sabi ekopem say no do ba ko 11 Life Sports ana ye de ebremo mi di dwumedie ho chiame enne eye Krobia Asante Foreign Front News ebeba efi nti sabi no efe na wadwen ni a ubetumi akọ Acro Life Sports Acro Life e wo Facebook Acro Life na wa comment na wa share e wo ho no eda bama so no eye abrante a ye frɛ no N'Golo Kante ene Casemiro obo Real Madrid ene N'Golo Kante a obo Chelsea no 11 na 6 position ho no midfield ho pana na ubetumi ede wo de ato comment section na ma wunu yanso enye den enye bi enhwe ewo ho wo ma wo mbo yichidom eye TY Barbering Saloon oba kwa oba ekropon ekuya ma wo mo betumi etwa uti ni ye pepepe nko be biara enkoyi uti a echiri no na razor bombs ni ade ewo we echi dabi braha sterilizer bibia towel woman bibia ekoso ye pepepa ewo ha obeji wa wa tu na so betumi abetwa uti kama enne no ye de local news enso ebeba nsem ekokoso oba Ghana hanom na ti ano kotoko after say na hwana ana eba be nya sa adwumedi no obeti nka ewo ho na na kwa me bemu a mo beti nka ewo ho na won a wo pesa adwumedi no George Free enya de aba ama ye mama eyi ne ho efim ti sisi abeka Nana Yaw Amponsa na dano ada okoye meeting eko presenting the 5-year development plan eko board no enim ene mo beti enka ewo ho glorious impressive Accra House of Folk womo bas no enche beba bidu latest by next month ending the Accra House of Folk bas no eba bidu ama ene no House of Folk the special registration number akwa dan DVLA ewo ho eno so mo beti enka over the week, you know, matches also Syria also Germany also over the weekend. La Liga and so also Madrid Esiakan FC Barcelona and so etumi Esiakan ewo hono mono. Over EPL numa and also also ye papa Liverpool runaway leaders no omotumi ewo hona. Top 4 no so emu ayu ye papa nti ene no ye behwe ama ye de sa dwumeji ni nyinara abremu. Enti no me nchintwen so no enche Kwame Amponsa edi wo no de tidbit no around the world of sports on the abremu na ye ba discussion segment ni so ye be sha ase iye papa ntia enkoma Nana Safori producer papa ntia ne no ye ko no in no time no Nana Kwame Amponsa edi foreign front news no ebebremu
right I don't pay no yatina say Acro Life Sports update so your body to nothing service nasi nothing the discussion no area to so area amana me amadi amana nsem no ebro no bidin ene Nana Kwame Amponsa edi ekopon de se ba ko na ni producer Nana Kwame na ni no waye production solid ho ere amai na afin so no mami to ntia enfa mai ekopon ade se nyina se ni no maje pini live on Facebook Acro Sports updates that's not say yeah the bro na uka yen chairman na nsem na se no e be sa se ere fi the English Premier League and other games na hodo etodwa e wo hono na face no Old Trafford Manchester United achibubu kwa friend Sheffield United e bo na kamiensa Sheffield United and Timantha brought their friend Anthony Martial and a ball hat-trick in that game na Manchester United na face no uko pia St James's Park Newcastle United ese ba kon Aston Villa so no ese ba kon brought their friend Dwight Gayle ese go na face no Mohamed El Mohammadi yes on the Egyptian international on also no ese go na face no Carrow Road no Norwich City 0 Everton 1 about their friend Michael Keane 55th minute on your goal no Everton Sansona bo kwa friend Wolverhampton Wanderers at the AFC Bournemouth and Bonakaba went to Matthew Rahul Jimenez on the Mexican international no the only goal in a match at the match with Wolverhampton Wanderers Sansona Anfield Liverpool you will never walk alone at Nafi at Chibobo Kwendini Crystal Palace Jordan Ayew in the mountain in Yamanko Yanada on Kudi in Anfield by 4-0 a Branty event Trent Alexander Arnold as you wanna see Mohamed Salah Fabio Wana Finsuno and Sadio Mane Senegalese international on more Burnley 5 p.m. I'm on Watford every Boston referee and then Mike Dean and then Jinemu Samson at St. Mary's Park on Southampton 5 p.m. I'm on the Almighty Arsenal the Gunners and then Arsenal near Mankoye. I'm on Shaston Bit Makopium at St. Mary's. Makonya win referee and then the Grand Scott. On 5 p.m. Obejinemu Manchester against you so El Horn and so no a match of the weekend as a match of the day no Bridge Chelsea the Blues and time 7:15 on the Citizens Manchester City Blues against Sky Blues and then on the boss referee and then start at war and then pay for pound and say on go jinemu na finish on share on to ayeram say na be near man to game in or the English Premier League league table now saying Liverpool with 86 points, Manchester City at Tosumino and Neomijinemu about game back on almost 63 points. Samson and Leicester City at Tosumia with 55 points. Chelsea the Blues and then Tosu and I with 51 points. Samson and Manchester United, the Red Devils, Bobo the Dead and then Tosu with 49 points. Samson and Wolverhampton Wanderers at Tosu Insia almost 49 points. And so Tottenham and then Tosu and so I mean, who be on the table so Southie and say the Gunners Niaman Koye won 18th position AFC Bournemouth almost 27 points 2019 no Aston Villa 27 points and I feel so na Kwakwamuno 20th position Norwich City on no just 21 points on goalkeeping chart and say Sifatie Abrante friend Jamie Vardy 19 goals Mohamed Salah 17 goals Samson Pierre Emiliano Franco Aubameyang 17 16 goals and I feel so no 15 goals and the Ebron EP on the Spanish Premier La Liga Santander and rather than Estadio Medellín no Boca Nidini Deportivo Alaves 0 Sassuolo 1 Bob Aya Brante friend Tony Lato and at 64 minutes no or say go Anoeta Sports Stadium no Boca friend Real Sociedad that's not fear and Celta de Vigo ebe say Kabakwa when Timanti Brante Nidini Igor Aspas Juncano and I said the only goal in that game Estadio Alfredo Di Stefano Real Madrid that's not fear almost this season Ope better the league title no Etibo Nidini Real Mallorca and boy come you know when and Timanti Vinicius Junior and I feel so no Sergio Ramos Garcia Omono goals no games no about to also Honum na Impura Municipal Stadium no a year Bobo Canadian Eba 5:30 Omoton San Valentia na face no Omo the Abos one referee game no Sansona and then 5:30 no yes 5:30 no Tuja Real Betis and then 8 p.m. rather 8 p.m. Real Betis and then Espanyol and Eddie Boss referee then John Martinez no and also the penny for you know so go jinamo AC Akai wana later no say na Etifa Etie Real Madrid the great kind with 68 points Barcelona that was me 68 points Atletico de Madrid that was me 55 points and I feel so no and 9 Sevilla with 53 points Getafe that was to him and so with 49 points and I feel so in Siano Yellow Submarines Villarreal on to say with 48 points and Siano no say the 18th position Real Mallorca or 26 points and I feel Liganes that was to Dunkron with just 25 points and I feel the Cracklemono Espanyol I feel Niama Enkoy Espanyol that was to Eduna on 24 points Pichichi no working chat and the Spanish Premier La Liga Lionel Messi Cucitini 21 goals Karim Mustafa Benzema 17 goals and I feel so Gerard Moreno Sinakai or Villarreal no 12 goals and I feel so Luis Suarez Alberto Diaz was just 11 goals and one minus no Yadi MIT for Italia Scudetto no and big games Etuja Unimsa big games Etuja Nenkoshe games na Etuja no Giuseppe Meazza San Siro no Bobo Canadini Inter Milan Etina Fi and Bobo Canadini Sassuolo and Buena Kensi no corner 3-3 and Ubia Etu S1 Romelu Lukaku Bolingi Esego Samson Christian Biraghi Esego Boyan Velario no so and go and my Inter Milan Sassuolo Femino Abate Nerinde Caputo, yes, Caputo, Esego, Sansona, Domenico, Berardi, Esego, and from the Cracklemono, Giancarlo, Magani, no, and so let's go, and Sassuolo, and I feel to the Jewish Stadium, no, Atlanta, the big game, no, and I told you, Atlanta 3, Bogan in the SSC Lazio 2, and the big game by Ostana, Abrante, Ruben, Gozens, no, Esego, and I feel no, Rosland, Malay, yes, yes, Milinkovic, and also let's go, and I feel Jose Luis, Palemonia, and also let's go, and Mabu Canidindi, Atlanta, and I feel Lazio Femino, Martin De Bruno, Ongo, I want to feel Cracklemono, Abrante, Sergio Milinkovic Savage, Esego, and my Ebo Canadian Lazio, National Tintam, Omotina Hornum, Atlanta, Aboma Camiensa, Momutimu, Estadio de Olimpico, AS Roma 2. Bobo Canadian Sampdoria 1 Edin Dzeko ebo Brace Edema AS Roma na say ana Ligue 1 Esifa Ete Juventus were ready carrying 66 points Lazio and now drop points and one to 62 points Inter Milan to 58 points and I feel no Atalanta and Champions League slot on so Jaffa with 4th position and all 54 points now Napoli Napoli helped us to Insia with 60 and that's 42 points and one now still on 18th position Lecce on 25 points Power to do with 18 points and feel no crap Brescia Balotelli this season Diamant Koye with 17 points now top scorer at Sanasena Etifatia Ciro Immobile and 27 goals Cristiano Ronaldo 22 goals about your friend Romelu Lukaku Bolingi from Manchester to Inter Milan and Oshe goals or 19 goals and João Pedro it's in a kind of Cagliari was 16 goals and I think Joseph Elliott up na Bobo Canadian at Atlanta no on also 15 goals I will Honma Yerima T4 and Yefred live across sports so yadi Ebron yeko piemu I want some full from na and Bobo Canadian at Liverpool and I didn't say any to just say another win over Crystal Palace na no Emma complacency be uncertain Trimodano and all their tour their focus our upcoming games now ever so on Liverpool Jurgen Klopp on the Mantiano so no Ede Atuja Honma Ede Yerima Tifona Troy Deeney captain Edema Watford and or some other Atuja say and another Burnley and Manchester City game now a boy no never be cost and try such as it and then you will be as fight Black Lives Matter no I didn't abroad for year before na ya fatu ya want to say you be fighting racism in football racism in our community nyama enjoy abroad for year before in term no and then you fighting na Troy Deeney and some that just say another that nyama cost so our Burnley and as a City crew for banner flag and the general said almost say white lives matter no and just say Niama Koyi and try into Burnley supporters no they should bow down their heads in shame and Troy Deeney captain Mapa and my Watford no on also area to the movie from England near PMO or Germany Bayern Munich team and see German Bundesliga our best player and as a midfield dynamo and brand friend Thiago Alcantara and Thiago didn't say that to just say, almost next season, the Bobby or Bayern Munich and China and Koyi, then in the WWE, Buna Ketim, and a few Canadian, and Bayern Munich, Yansono Yerima, T4, and Yato Samono, and Yoko Pima, brother friend, Hugo Lloris. By the Tottenham and they were in the same area to just say. So next season, when Champions League slot be for Tottenham, and that's when Tottenham is in a kind of Champions League man, men move here from Bofa. So one of more players, it's not say commitment, no anyone such as say, and then Hugo Lloris, no, and then some that to just say commitment on the side of the players, no, and then you want to next season. So when Tottenham to Musioma kind or the UEFA Champions League man, one for Subono, and for Tottenham must be Hugo Lloris, and also, and they Atuja, and then Arsenal catching. Celestia thought that anything we do Arsenal for him here, but Celestia and Arsenal for their two just said Barcelona second choice goalkeeper, friend Neto no, and they also next season Obako Tebrino and they have a PMO Arsenal catch here again Arsenal. We call it that and brother me who no partner and they also know Ede Atuja ho na kra kwa mu no ye wi amana ne nsem no abate friend Sergio Ramos Garcia and now on a goal and Real Madrid over Real Mallorca and you know what you say 118 goals for club and country and then our best defender with some goals Real Madrid Akatia open defender was a goals with Real Madrid Akatia and Sergio Ramos Garcia 118 goals for Real Madrid and our fans Boca and I said the Spanish national team and on my till Yerima for now and a brave one about an instant yesi Edia Metiso and Nana Kwame upon Sadi na answer na yebebe fio mami twinchia fama Sandys collectioner and you must say I'm an answer yadi ebrel and I feel to me producer and you produce me about an answer and ebrel and I quarantine I want solid ayo production standard and I move bibia me jamu ma Krobia Santin answer on your back come akabu on tema and you also on just oye me more directed now I want to my name sister yes sister or yeah direction bibia I want ma and you sister phobia yes phobia and me amini about and you why direction bibia I want one director for the day and he was saying me jamu ma Krobia Santin afin so no discussion so no or the say ma
very man and Kwame Amponsa Edi Ase say one mama hu ni ekoso e won crofon so ekru so sabi no yenche yenda your production team no ase na na asafori yeda wase na na quarantine so e wa ha obo ejuma yi papa tiwa babri salon ana wo so ya ase na sabi no yedi jumeje no eko sabi efe na won so wo hwa next question of the day no Carlos Casemiro Enrique ene one abrante N'Golo Kante no wana ana wode ne begina mfimfini ho obetumi de wode ato comment section na se na won so bepia share na wonua so enya bi ahwe sabi no yebe nche kra ti say yede discussion no e sha se ba yebe ko amono ni nsem nim ansa na yaba efie ni yede bewie etisi ano ye hwe La Liga no emu aye dinye papa wo hwe European we top 5 leagues na wo mo bona wo hwe afi La Liga no emu aye dinye papa sani a title no ekoso wo ho no ye hwe se either Barcelona na se Real Madrid no ye hwe ni a season no bekwa ewie no obetumi afa de La Liga no ewo ho enti ye nche ho no ye ba ne ya ba Serie A no so aba Inter Milan Antonio Conte ni buefuye papa Watson a drop a point ewo ho no ma eno so e ha bi papa but fortunately for them no so no Lazio enso etumi drop a point a wo so enya point bia ewo ho wo mo ni Atlanta Asia no nti ye beba say Juventus ebetumi asangaje Serie A no this season bi odia eno so ye behwe ewo ho Liverpool enso enya win akajes ene wo mo hwe Chelsea ene Man City even a draw for Chelsea Liverpool ebesi true for the title na EPL no so abesi Liverpool now so for the first time in 30 good years at Liverpool and then nananom wo mo ni baji papa wo mo bia hwe nim Liverpool fo nyina na wo mo hwe nim say Chelsea ebetumi atwibodua afiwie mu a and then producer nanasa for ni baji papa wo mo nyina enta Chelsea echi na ye hwe se nya nyoma ebeko ye hwe na ye fa discussion no en sha se ewo La Liga over the week no Barcelona ewini here enya 1-0 against Athletic Club de Bilbao so ana Real Madrid so enya 2-goal lead ewini sa game no against Real Mallorca wo ye hwe senya games no ekọ ana kwani abombo ko de
say na kupon by na temu dan by here bi I fine jina bana so say to control
ba ye sa ma etifo so enya we say local front no ene Probia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Nana Yawa Ponsan
yes
ase tebibia nsade a ono betumi abedi Kotoko si we du
okay Nana Yawa Ponsan never be Kotoko si you
niama ha odi egu akwan mu ebinum so erezi concern see papa yi Ghana ne wo no
sir
baba get ne nyoma opeso oye Kotoko no Real Madrid
okay
Glorious Accra has to
yes phobia
the bas na Belandi if the supporters ni
players na fin ever
ebeba
okay
eneno DVL special registration
yes
number womo dia koma DVL womo se womo pe G
yes
1911 20 let us say asofo ka womo te no 1911 no
okay
ana bas no eba 2020
okay
until 1911-20 GE asofo the special registration number our modi akoma DVL ewo e be ba behwe Ghana nrante bi nso ewo amonone a wo mu achi wo mu yi papa eno kwa de eye ebibiri mu he ya eno ebibiri mu Africa Ethiopia eni Congo dore Jibril no ma wo Congo wo mu so esu pa se Ghana aban hwe na o mefa wo because na nyoma kono wo mu bre ana liadi no mo so omuso esuye papa wo Ethiopia ene no president akasa FA president akasa nti ye hwe se over the week no wo mo be ye bibia fa no nti quickly yemko La Liga ene I started
yes
right in my head papa
before I start with the Spanish Premier La Liga quick one question of the day Casemiro and N'Golo Kante. For me personally, I think say imagine me players are over the years, to me I showcase on my talent on the field of play in terms of footballing, on my career, and I'm to show Nyama Bebre. And with Abrante friend, Casemiro, I'm getting him. Real Madrid product from the Castilla, and later you promote the senior side. About so the lights of Abrante friend Guti, Xabi Alonso, Munina, you can't play Casemiro without an asset Ubenchi Abrante friend Xabi Alonso. So I think say that time about coach our friend Rafael Benitez he decided to they make a loan our FC Porto or Portugal and Namincha they go pay more Porto no or coach our friend Rafael Benitez say yes the opportunity no and own but when given it obet me prove on the field of play, and you know, Casemiro, so no, yet me sanko far back in the squad, and then all back, all ball, yes, without Real Madrid currently, only Casemiro, some way winning game. Although we can say yes, about your friend Federico Valverde, Abba, but the impact about your friend, Casemiro, Carlos Casemiro, Enrique, and display our football field, and also the modern ball. Now, N'Golo Kante, yes, I met for Dynamo, Chelsea, engine, and about he's the pivot of Chelsea team. The days, our France, yes, now you should have engine until Obi PM our Leicester City. The first season our Leicester, Nani Amanyere, he was starting from the bench until the following season. Coach our friend Ranieri, Abaya, or to me, setting up into the first 11. Now, the squad, our Leicester City squad, the likes of Ryan Mahrez, Jamie Vardy, and N'Golo Kante, showcase yes, indeed. Season Leicester City winning league, I think that he was the influential player at the man or displayed in the games, and as the talents are all at the Leicester City, and one of the best central midfielders in the world. You cannot do away with a brand your friend N'Golo Kante. Now, we'll move it from Leicester to Chelsea. The second and the first season of Chelsea, we need the English Premier League. And also, I think he said he won the Player of the Season. Chelsea, Akachi, and also another plus N'Golo Kante. Now, comparing these two players, Obeka Sobako Real Madrid winning the Champions League, Casemiro several times back to back. Yes, he won the World Cup, fantastic. Yeah. But about your friend Casemiro also won their friends in the Copa America, Edinburgh, and Brazil national team, But then make sure these two players, now make sure team and the players surrounding them now. I didn't say me personally in the central midfield, your team, my team, for me team in the central midfield, and I said number 6 position, I'll go in for about your friend N'Golo Kante to be my number 6 position player, and I said to be at the number 6 position. Casemiro at Real Madrid, or the likes of about Toni Kroos, and then look at better. I'm not saying he's a good player, but a very fantastic on the ball, or the field of play. But comparing him to about your friend N'Golo Kante, no, Kante bobo ombre, or better can retrieve ball without making some unnecessary fouls. But I check Casemiro before we win the ball on the field, unless of our answer, but why then as the ball earlier films. But comparing with N'Golo Kante, me personally, I think I have to go in for a brand friend of N'Golo Kante to be my number 6 player.
Okay, Nana Kwame Akwasa Edi say N'Golo Kante and ordinary Virginia team to wait me at the comment section and say Aku Live Sports and the Bremo from now to 11 there. Krobia Asante we did Jumedi no Chami, meaning brother Nana Kwame Akwasa Edi and the Jumedi. Quickly no young call La Liga no so na interested here. And also
with La Liga no, I don't know. I know that Minya a share Real Madrid game, but before that, Barcelona against Athletic Bilbao. It was a very fantastic game. Minya after 90 minutes. Barcelona had a lot of problems. Especially whereby they are playing around a branch friend Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi has come of age. I know that when 33 years, only and Ocho coach and friend Kike Setien Soler. Oba Barcelona, they say a kind of Pep Guardiola ball, and he been back into Barcelona team. And one thing that DJ as Barcelona supporters and say, Oba is going to deal with the youth players, the academy players now, only born. The likes of Abrante, Ansu Fati, Money, Ricky Pug, every reason the players are more academy, no money more equating. But as Oba, Yaman said up and then win, draw, or channel or lose. They are entry of Barcelona team. But Barcelona as a team also some of the players that determine say no, they cannot do away with this season's title. By all means, it's going to be winning league in Barcelona. Already they are out of the Copa del Rey. Champions League over the years, for the past 5 years, I had nightmare at FC Barcelona. They will reach the semi-finals, quarter-finals now finish the year with their team. So impossible to say Barcelona will be winning this season's Champions League. Now the focus on the La Liga. How are they able to win? And how will they win the Spanish La Liga? Now they have a team like Real Madrid and also this season I'm focused also on the Spanish La Liga. But Champions League on the trot I didn't know almost so winning the Premier La Liga. And I cover that challenge, area about now 68 points, 68 points. I guess one thing I noticed about Antoine Griezmann, I didn't say he's becoming disappointment at FC Barcelona. In the days at Atletico de Madrid, or she goes even at the national team for France, or she goes. Now, about your friend Luis Suarez, I think totally with Luis Suarez, he's done totally Barcelona. Some year coach, I wouldn't play Luis Suarez up front. No, he's done totally. This season for me,
FC Barcelona.
Luis Suarez done.
Now why
Barcelona. Yo, about your friend Ansu side of the field. FC Barcelona.
And you push things that Branty are your friend of Ansu Fati no, ubet me up on as Arrowhead.
But ball wide on the left side. No one push about your friend saying Griezmann. And then about Gerard number 7 and that's number 9 position. Lionel Messi will be at the right side of the field. Who about after Mele Frankie de Jong, Sergio Busquets, and as about Ivan Rakitic, Arturo Vidal, Betimabo, the three in our midfield. But to me, who about your friend? I Braithwaite, I'll go find if you league and say by Betimabo number 9. But for me, I think that Suarez done and dusted. Our Bobo friend.
So it's time when to say Kiki to me a good now or bench a
Suarez. Ball then bench him. Start that say. So I think the title race in the heading 68 points. Head to head difference and about Real Madrid at the top. And which are the remaining games like Barcelona has to play Celta de Vigo, some Atletico Madrid, any idea? And top games
from Celta de Vigo.
We here, intimidating ground impossible. Said Celta de Vigo, but they went ahead and win. You can see about your friend Igor Aspas penalty here. So going into Celta de Vigo, difficult. We are about what Atletico Madrid, and say another difficult game. And Atletico Madrid, so much about Champions League. In the year, Real Madrid games, they have to play Getafe. Getafe, so this season is really on form or performing or down number 4, and I said 4th position. That was one more there. Or we are about Atletico Bilbao, or San Mamés. Madrid Bilbao games, that was San Mamés, difficult. Real Madrid. So I said this season's Spanish Premier La Liga, a tough one, very interesting, and let's hope for the best. The interest now, at the end of the season, we will have a deserved winner. But for me, I think the Barcelona need to up their games. Real Madrid will give them the tough challenge. But at the end of the season, I know that FC Barcelona will come out to be the league title winners.
Okay, FC Barcelona able to me AJ. The Spanish Premier La Liga no ewo hono mo na ukoso share Apple Life Sports ana ye de Bremon Sabino say Sabino Abrante aye friend champion boy cause we race or say keep the good way guys you be going far and also atu ewo ho sa enso na Savory on also can sound no as when say no ya fix it ewo ho no and also ekoso ewo major pharmacy on also atoso ho and also the atoso on no the Casimiro Abrante aye friend no Casimiro Enrique no on no ni be gina ni nana kwa me amponsa o se major wa ati won kapa
wa okay
say I of major.
Yes.
Okay. Intizia no.
Major one and Casara major one.
Okay. So ana champion boy ono so e dey aba. O so no befa Abrante e friend N'Golo Kante. Comment no Edorson ntino. Yen hwe EPO no. EPO no sisi ano yen say Liverpool at all costs. As we say Chelsea be lose game and no. Say Chelsea be win, say Chelsea be draw no. They have matches before them. I won't bet to me win. A bet to me, I guarantee you with the title. No, and no, and then the European qualification race. No, that is the top 4. No, one bet me about Champions League in Europe and you know, no, na imuaye dinsi pa one man. We share Leicester City being at the 3rd position, Chelsea 4th, Man United 5th, then Wolves 6th. No. We say Wolves so bayi papa Wolves bayi papa ntino ye be hwese ne a nana ye be chirichiri mu say dia top 4 race no so enu eko ewo ho no nana
come here
EPO on the Liverpool there to be
yes with the English Premier League I didn't say Liverpool, I will declare them officially today. I will declare them winners of the English Premier League 2019-20 season. Because looking at the point difference, over 20 points gap difference, and on the Manchester City in term. And then they won against Crystal Palace and Anfield. Now pundits predict Sanka Crystal Palace able to shock Liverpool. Which recent years in 2013-2014 season now, Liverpool were close to the league title until draw 3-3 with Crystal Palace. Almost imagine that season's title. 99 that almost Sanka history able to repeat itself. But I wouldn't blame Crystal Palace because also the strength of Liverpool team now. The likes of Mohamed Salah, Sadio Mane, Roberto Firmino, Uber midfielder, Abrante Jordan Henderson, right captain of the side. Abrante friend, Jorginho Wijnaldum, fantastic player. Fabinho, this season brilliant. Very fantastic goal by our standards. Uber bench one man. The likes of Naby Keita, which may replace one of these three midfielders. Abrante Chamberlain, James Milner, even though he was injured yesterday, but they are equally good players. I'm maybe replacing back four, the likes of Robertson, Trent Alexander-Arnold, very fantastic free kick, and another Joe Gomez, but ball on it, Abrante Van Dijk, they are very solid at the back. Goalkeeper Alisson Becker, no problem with him. So which are this all set up now? Now there's no way Boca and in Crystal Palace, the likes of Jordan Ayew, moving to understand this Liverpool team. Unfortunately, the Abrante friend Zaha could cry early in the game. I don't know bring your moral down. I didn't say Liverpool did well yesterday. Abrante Minamino, not Kenra Michel Misaka, with Menya go. But Niamen to me, of course, a year and got to the time, Jordan Klopp has to bring in this young chaps. Gomez and Elliott and Omumbre and also meet me in display. They did well when they came on, but Niaman Sono F at Liverpool. Now, Manchester City Chelsea game no Barcelona. A very fantastic game. City and Chelsea games. So at times Chelsea will be on top of City. At times vice versa. Manchester City over. But Sergio Aguero out of the game. I ought to mean how Chelsea and as the Chelsea Asia City Aguero how Adrian hat-tricks also brace also I should go but this time around he's out of the game and then Gabriel Jesus and Babe replacing
so we share this Aguero I want to be in feature for a game now and only a bit me City for no baby kakana how Chelsea so defense and also
well so when football in our face watch the Chelsea Manchester City games you will not say definitely Aguero out of the game no ever have Manchester City again because they are in the goals I watch it here Chelsea Aguero out of this game
one of the few players
I want to share Chelsea more goals so I think they have Manchester City but Pep Guardiola the kind of formations that ultimately by the kind of players or the original game the assistant games any other day but we shouldn't forget about Chelsea. Anytime they are Manchester City, our form, when they are playing well, Chelsea, it will be a stop here. Last season, Chelsea were down, Manchester City were really on top. Chelsea had shown 2 goals. Even in the first leg, they are tough at Manchester City. So I'm not writing Chelsea off. But attention up with Chelsea too because Liverpool want to win the league. Chelsea have to beat Manchester City. And they give them a big game. Frank Lampard, and then Martial. Abrante friend Tammy Abraham, I think say, Obitima returning back into action. Abrante, and Frank Lampard, they are 2 years for best starting. It's a good idea. Frank Lampard.
We share Chelsea first game. I think say we are playing a game. No one Aston Villa now share. And Abrante friend Antonio Rudiger and Christensen pair no. When we to me handle this the likes of this Man City front three. You could have Sterling, Mahrez, and Gabriel Jesus, Kevin De Bruyne, and how are Chelsea defense a bit to me a counter for this attacking front?
When the Chelsea defense Osha game against Aston Villa. Chelsea were defense were totally down, I would say. Now, Abrante especially, not him alone. Uber bench kept Zuma, your man had several opportunities. Want to improve that he will be the central defender Chelsea can rely on.
Go watch our Chelsea.
Yes.
By this time,
Everton look at it, but
Sabi I say Zuma
you have to be on top. But Yama man. Tomorrow, the number in down.
Same to Abrante friend
Christensen.
Because watch John Terry no more time. Oko Mönchengladbach. They fight for ball or boy before answer now back.
Fantastic. So I see say Frank Lampard should get a defender next season. Obviously, they have best set in. But this current Chelsea defense, you know, facing the likes of Abrante friend Leroy Sané. You feel right, Bernardo Silva.
From game with me and big boy and say
yes.
Charlie bench your option.
A very solid team.
Yeah.
But Chelsea on any given day they will surprise you. Ocean midfield Abrante friend Mateo Kovacic, Abrante N'Golo Kante, another pivot player in the midfield. Make sure formation of Frank Lampard, but I would prefer to say as usual Abrante friend Caesar on the right back. Abrante friend Marcos Alonso will be at the left. But the central defense, I see attention. But there's no doubt he has no option than to play Rudiger and Christensen. As usual, Kepa will be in post. Now the midfield, I see attention about Abidjan. Kante will start. Abrante friend and Mateo Kovacic will also start. Now, why not then cast Abrante me? Is it Messi Mount or Abrante friend and Ross Barkley? Yes, because I didn't know from recall from injury, but I don't think so. But starting Loftus-Cheek will be a good option. I am my coach, a friend Frank Lampard. But I think said you should bring in Mason Mount. Send him back Mount, who will shoot from afar, creating a lot of chances. Now, up front there, I really got to start Abrante Giroud, and I said Abrante friend, Tammy Abraham. I was giving him, but I would prefer to say. Tammy Abraham scoring out over 14 goals this season. Elma Chelsea in the Premier League, What's starting at Ebeboa? Playing Abrante friend William on a wing friend Christian Pulisic will be a good lineup. Frank Lampard, Manchester City. That I didn't say today's game is a very, very tough game. Manchester City
game no saying overall no.
We will tell you predicting
final
prediction will be very difficult.
Not going by straightforward prediction, but
prediction will be very difficult in such games. Okay. But I didn't say the best team deserves to be win. Who are coach or tactics ever final be winning. We cannot compare Frank Lampard to Pep Guardiola on any other given day. But I didn't say football is full of surprises. And then begin say what are the formations right or tactics right, good lineup, I didn't say you will carry the day. I was not giving them. Quick one, I'm sure Arsenal and Southampton. Arsenal the Gunners. Glory, I never fought Miguel Arteta. And then John, never fought my Arsenal. Oh,
I'm going to go.
Focus it, but so I granted that contract. Yes.
And so some focus being on next season.
Yes,
other than some Luis Nomo contract.
Yes, I didn't say for Abrante. It has been unfortunate for him, sir. On Paris, first 11. We got 11. Yes, one start. But I didn't say this time around. Or focus next season, open players. I would don't know what that's why he to sign Abrante friend Thomas Partey from Atletico Madrid. Abrante also I determined they don't want to drop in the relegation zone. So the light Danny Ings, another striker, and Oyo Tometa. On any other given day, Rujana, which means I go. I think the Arsenal Southampton, for me, I need to be pathetic, and as I sympathetic, Arsenal, I don't think the Arsenal currently and going for Southampton to win at St. Mary's Sports Stadium.
Okay, Nana, I'm concerned. Inchirichimuno Elkoso Elhono, Yanko PK NS, also on Obeko Ama Abrante Casimiro, PK, also Obeko. Success Kwejo highest on us big ups, brothers, big ups, Samsung DC Kings Cage, on also for nice initiative, good work, guys, and also in the comments about Elhono, if you know what Flight Sports and yɛde ɛbrɛ mo sɛnea yɛ ne da no every Thursday ne Saturday bia no